Fifer. Would you like to talk about being a Fifer?
Sure.
All right. This is our new Fifer. He does a fantastic job, and he will explain what the musicians' use were on the battlefield, while I bring the rest of them to a more restful position. Go right ahead. 23rd.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the fife instrument. It is essentially a flute, but it's much smaller and the pitch is much higher. Now this, and accompanied by the drum, was used by the British Army and most 18th century European armies for regulation of commands, for orders, for marking the time during the day, and also for keeping morale. Now there's different kinds of songs that can be played on this, and some of them can be for telling the soldiers when to go eat, telling them when to retire to their barracks, telling them when to come out of the barracks in the morning, and so on and so forth. There are also several songs that were simply popular tunes during the time that would help to raise morale and were played on the march to keep time with the steps.
Play us a song.
So, this tune is called the Drummer's Call and is used to assemble the musicians at any time of day. That was only 2 repetitions. This would normally be played maybe 15, 20, 50 times until everybody was gathered. And you can imagine how that might annoy some people, but it would get their attention. A popular tune that could be played on the march, this is Welcome Here Again.
Touches him to be arrested and flogged! Prepare! Halt! To the left, face! This would, since we've been doing it all day without ceremony, thank you very much, gentlemen. Dismissed. Thank you.